Good morning, dear students. In this video, I am going to recap Chapter 6 Rural Administration from your civics book. As you have already studied that in villages, so many issues and disputes takes place. So, how the rural administration work? In this chapter, you have read about the fight of Mohan. So Mohan goes to police station. Every police station has an area that comes under its control. So every police station has a specific area. Of that area, the police is going to take or write the case. All persons in that area can report cases or inform the police about any theft, accident, injury, fight, etc. It is the responsibility of a police of that station to inquire, to investigate, and to take action on the cases within its area. The work at the police station. So when Mohan went to the police station, there was a person that is called as station house officer or SHO, and he told what happened to him. SHO rudely behaved, but SHO had certain responsibility. He could not ignore even the minor complaints. So, it is the responsibility of a police to write down the complaints and start investigating on it. Maintenance of record. Measuring land and keeping land record is the main work of Patwari. The Patwari is known by different names in different states. In some villages, such officers are called Lekpal, in other Kanungo or Karamchari or village officer. We will refer to this officer as Patwari. Each Patwari is responsible for the group of villages. The Patwari maintains and updates the records of a land. The Patwari usually has way of measuring agriculture fields. The Patwari is also responsible for organizing the collection of land revenue from the farmers and providing information to the government about the crops grown in this year. This is done from the records that are kept, and this is why it's important for Patwari to regularly update these. Farmers may change the crops grown on their fields, or someone may dig a well somewhere. Senior people in this department supervise the Patwari's work. All states in India are divided into districts. For managing matters relating to land, these districts are further subdivided. These subdivision of districts are known by different names such as Tehsil or Taluka. At the head is the district collector, and under her are the revenue officers, also known as Tehsildar. They have to hear disputes. They also supervise the work of patwaris and ensure that the records are properly kept and land revenue is collected. They make sure that the farmer can easily obtain a copy of their record. Students can obtain this caste certificate. The Tehsildar office is where land disputes are also. A new law, Hindu Succession Amendment Act 2005. Recently, the law changed. In the new law, sons, daughters, and their wives in Hindu families can get an equal share in the land. The same law will apply to all states and union territories of the country. This means that after the death of a father who has been working as a farmer or is having agricultural land, that property can also go to son, daughter, and his wife as well. This was all about the chapter. I hope this quick short video help you to recall the chapter which was taught in the live class.